Hi guys, good evening to all. Welcome to Halston Academy. This is CS Sai Kumar. Okay, so we are going to start a CFR fast track classes for CMA finance students. So new syllabus, okay na? New syllabus because old syllabus is not there, right? Okay, simple. CFR subject is very simple, sir. First of all, I want to say that point. So most of the students still they're getting a, I mean, they're feeling difficult about the subject. They're feeling difficult about the subject because many of the seniors or I don't know, they have keep one stamp on the subject. It is a difficult subject. Everyone is saying like this only, but once you are done with the classes, definitely you will become a expert in these topics, nothing but in this subject. Seriously, sir, very simple topics are very simple topics. Easily you can understand, okay now? Okay, are you getting my point? Clear? So before going to topics, I will explain the examination pattern. I will explain examination pattern. So first of all, totally we have 8 questions in our exam paper, right? How many questions are? 8 questions. Question number one is completely MCQs, only MCQs. No need to write any explanation for that MCQ. Like old syllabus. In our old syllabus, we have a you have to write a reason also along with the option. So in new syllabus, there is no need to write any reason. Just you have to keep the MCQ either A or B or C or D. That's it. How many marks? 30 marks, sir. 30 marks. 30 marks. It's not a simple thing, sir. Yes, sir, no. 15 to the 30. Last time, almost we have covered 28 marks. 28 marks easily students can get. Okay. So, some of the students by mistakenly, so they have done some mistakes. Okay. So, that is normal for everyone. But I will cover all the topics, sir. I will cover all the topics. Definitely you will get easily 24 to 26 marks easily, sir. Easily you will get this marks from this MCQs. Suppose example, in worst case, you will answer only 10 questions, only 10 to the 20. 10 is basic for everyone, basic. Easily 20 marks you can get after completion of my classes. So I will conduct two grand tests also, two grand tests. Okay now, you must write that exam, sir. Must write that exam before going to main exam, nothing but final examination. Clear? Next, so at least we got 20 marks from this that first question. Next, question number 2 in days. Question number 3 in days. In days means actually we have a, see here, these are the in days. 82115. 82115. Examination point of view, important standards are 16, 116, 23, 36, 38, 102, 115. These are the very important standards. These are the very important standards. Okay now, clear? So question number 2 and 3. Question number 2 and 3 will come from this index only. This index. Okay now. How many marks? Each question carries 14 marks, right? So 2 14s are 8, 28 marks. Simple. Next, question number 4 is index 103. Question number 5 is 110. There may be a mix also. They can give. Mix means 103 plus 110. Okay now. So how many marks? Each question carries 14 marks. Question number 6 is valuation of shares and 32 and 109. 32 and 109. How many marks? Again 14 marks. And question number 7 and 8. So completely one question will be theory and Another question may be Indies as well as theory also included. Okay, now theory also included, totally 28 marks. Out of 7 questions, 3 plus 4, 7 questions, you have to write only 5 questions only. 5 14s are 70 marks. 5 14s are 70 marks. Now, what are the topics is necessary for getting exemption? Is necessary for getting exemption. Okay. See, if you prepare Indies very well, it will cover almost 28 to 35 marks. How many marks, sir? 28 to 35 marks covered from Indies only. Indies only. Yeah. Indies means only these Indies. I am saying that. Only these Indies. Not this Indies 109. Okay. Next Indies 103, 110. I am not talking about these standards. Just I am talking about these 12 standards only. So you will get how much? 28 to 35 marks. Clear? If you confident about Indians, definitely you will get a, suppose example, not 28 marks, just let us take an example. For example, easily you can get 20 marks because the Pakka standards are there we have. One is 115, 116 and 102. These are the Pakka damn sure standards, sir. If you prepare well, easily you will get the 20 marks. Easily 25 also may possible. Okay, na? So possibility is there. Clear? Next, if you confident about valuation of shares and India's 32 and 109, very few questions are there. Okay, now if you prepared well for this topic, you will get easily 10 marks in worst case. I am calculating worst case 10 marks. Clear? And we have a question number 7 and 8. Okay, if you prepare theory very well, easily you will get a 20 marks from this question also, from these two questions, because India is also included here, right? So total how many marks? Please calculate. So from MCQs we 20. Next here again 20. Here also 20. 20, 20, 20, 60, 70. Out of 100 you will get 70. I'm damn sure about this marks. But you have to practice very well, sir. Then only you can apply everything in exam. Then only you can perform in exam. So the main point is practice. Practice is very, very important. 70 is not a big thing, I think so. Because almost 4 to 5 students also get more than 70 marks. It's not a I mean difficult task are getting. So the main thing is practice. Practice is very important and MCQs is very important. So maximum you should try to get 25 to 30 marks, 24 to 30 marks. You have to try for this within a half an hour only, half an hour. So time management is very, very important. Once you have written all the grandest everything, you will get a confident. And please write actually we will upload Sunday exam in one group. We have one group, separate group for students who have purchased the classes. Okay, if you want you can write the exam also, because we are conducting for regular students, not for fast track students, because it is not possible, right? Just 30 to 35 hours, it will get closed by almost within 20 days only, 20 to 25 days, that's it. So if you want you can write the exam. We will join you in that group also, so nothing to worry. Is that clear? So this is the overview, nothing but examination pattern of CFR exam. So damn sure, sir, damn sure, please follow the classes properly. Okay, now definitely you will get this 70 marks. This is my target, sir. Every student should get 70. That is my target. Okay, now clear. That is my agenda also. Please, please, at least give 3 hours a day for this subject. At least 3 hours a day. From tomorrow onwards, please give 3 hours a day. It's more than enough for me. It's more than enough for me. Okay, now clear? That's it, sir. This is the examination pattern of our CFR. Clear? These are the Ind AS, sir. Next, these are the topics: valuation of a shares and goodwill. Next, Ind AS 32, 109, and NBFC simple topic 103, 110. And these are the complete theory. So we got almost 20 marks at least on theory topics. Last time we got almost 20 marks, I think so. So directly given the value added statement question, they have directly given. Next, government accounting questions, basic questions are what we have expected, they have given, that's it. Students also write very well. Okay, clear. So this is the syllabus. Okay, but in our fast track classes, what are the topics we are going to discuss? Okay, so I will give regular material only to everyone, even whether it's a fast track or a regular. I will give regular material only, but I will discuss only few questions for fast track students. That's it. I am not making any uh, short material for fast track students because I don't want to take any chance. Even fast track students also should get a more marks for, right? So that's why I'm giving all the question and answers everything to them. So please follow that. That's it. Okay, I will provide all the notes also, but I am not discuss all the questions. That's it. Okay, please don't feel regular students. Okay, okay, clear. So these are the topics I am going to discuss in fast track classes. Okay, what is it, sir? First one, Ind AS 16, 116, 23, 36, 38, and 102, 108, 113, 115. Almost all the standards I will cover, even Ind AS 12 also. But I will ignore this Ind AS 8. It's not a, I mean, it's not important also. You can leave. You can also leave 113 also. Okay. Remaining standards I will discuss because questions will come from that standards only. Next, I will discuss valuation of a share, Ind AS 132-109, and NBFC is the basic topic, you already know about it. I will discuss, don't worry. Business combination consolidation. Okay, now I will cover all the topics conceptually. Okay, I will solve problems, not all the problems, not all the problems. Okay, I will discuss the theory also, so don't worry about it. Okay, so everything we are going to complete within 30 to 35 hours only. That's it. Maximum 30 or 35. That's it. Okay, now. But please follow the classes properly. I will tell more examples during my classes. Okay, so please note that. Please make a notes properly. Okay, now are getting my point. And also, please write exams also if possible. But grand test is compulsory. Grand test is compulsory. That grand test papers will be corrected by me only. Okay, now are getting my point. So please don't take any chance. Okay, our target is minimum 70. Okay, so are getting my point? Okay, now. Okay, guys, please don't take a chance. Okay, clear, sir? That's it. That's all about our introduction about the topic and examination pattern. Okay, now clear. I think everyone get confident about this subject because I already discussed about this examination pattern, sir. If you follow at least, if you prepare for Ind AS, only Ind AS and valuation of shares and theory, at least a theory, and also 109 and 32 also. Easily you will get at least 25 or 10 marks, and also 15 marks, worst case. And also we have a MCQs also. So at any cost, we will get easily 60 marks. 60 marks is a simple thing with our classes. Okay, provided you should prepare well, sir. Well, sir. Questions will come from our book only. Almost all the questions will cover. Nothing to worry. Okay, now clear. If you want to solve more the questions, if you want to, nothing but mm, if you want to solve all the questions, you can go with regular classes. The regular class is simply almost 100 hours. That's it. 100 to 110 hours may come. Okay, so the batch is going on. Okay, so the difference between regular class and okay, nothing but faster classes is in monetary terms just 2000 is the is for fast track, 4000 is for regular. Okay, so nothing to worry about this, I think so. Okay, now if you want to solve all the questions along with me, then you can go with the regular classes. Okay, now clear? Otherwise, if you have any somewhat idea, then go with the faster classes. That's more than enough. That is more than enough. That's it. Clear? So our target is minimum 70. Simply exemption is my target. Simple, sir. Exemption is my target, and your target should be okay. Now clear? Are you getting my point? I will give tips everything before going to exam, sir. Okay, now. So for every subject, I will give tips. Don't worry about it. Clear? So this is the intro of CMA Final CFR fast track classes. Okay, so okay na channel subscribe cheyanడి. Please subscribe the channel, like and share. Okay na. Thank you so much. We'll start the topics in our next video. Okay na. Next session.